Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can group shapes in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So I have these shapes right here turned into a flower. Now how can we group this? It's very easy. So you just need to press the shift key on your keyboard, and while pressing it, you need to also move your cursor or your mouse and select all the shapes that you need to group. Now once done, you need to make a right click, and here you'll find the group option. Click on this. Now once you group that, they will be as one. So I did not select this circle earlier. That's why I only have this hearts as selected as grouped as one. So you need to make sure that you only need to select those shapes that you want to be grouped. Earlier I did not choose this circle one, so I only have this hearts, and now they are grouped as one. Now let's try another one. Let me set this aside here. Let me add some shapes. And then let's put color in it. Let's put this circle here. And now let's group these shapes. So you just need to press the shift key on your keyboard and then move your cursor and then select all the shapes that you want to group. Then make a right click, select group, and that's it. They are as one now. So I hope this helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.